Okay, this lesson is about what biomes are, and our goal is to learn what they are. So by the end of the lesson, I want you to be able to explain what a biome is and to start explaining where they're located. The keywords we're going to look at are biomes, ecosystems, deserts, grasslands, tundra, forest, and ice. So a biome is a community of plants and animals, in other words, an ecosystem. There are 5 distinctive biomes around the world. These are forests, deserts, grasslands, tundra, ice. Within each biome, there are variations. So, for example, forests, we have tropical rainforests, deciduous forests, and coniferous forests. So there are big variations, but we need just to know that there are 5 basic biomes around the world. The first biome is forests. Like I said, they're very diverse. Some forests are tropical, some are deciduous. Look at what that means later on. They have lots of species of animals and plants there, so much so that there's even medicines found there too. A lot of our medicines actually come from rainforests. So forests are very, very important. Different types of forests. The second one are deserts. They are found in dry areas. They're not just found in hot areas. There are cold deserts and hot deserts. Basically, for an area to become a desert, it needs to receive less than 250 millimeters of precipitation a year. Not just rain, but precipitation. Precipitation covers rain, snow, sleet, anything that falls in the form of water. That's why Antarctica technically is the biggest desert in the whole world. Then we've got grasslands. Obviously, it's in the name. You can see by this picture here, there's a lot of grass. There are many different species of grass. Since European settlement in Australia, we've lost about 57 different species of grass. Grass is very important for soil. It binds soil together, and we do have large areas of grassland. These are normally flat, as you can see in the picture. There are 2 types of grasslands, tropical and temperate. Then we have tundra. These are semi-frozen areas. They are towards the poles, near the Arctic and Antarctic Circle. This is where some of the year the ground is frozen. It is very, very cold, but in summer it does warm up. Then we have ice. These are areas that are always frozen. They are normally at the poles and they are extremely, extremely cold. This is where most of the biomes are located. Remember, this is very general. As you can see in Australia, we have 3. We have deserts, grasslands, and also forests. What's very, very interesting is looking at the relationship between different types of biomes and their and where they are in the world. If you look closely at the lines of latitude, that will give you a little hint to what I'm trying to explain. The colder are the furthest north and south of the equator. Alright, that's the first video done.